All right, so I'll just admit, I completely screwed up. I totally thought I filmed like an intro thing just overviewing my roommate's cars. But I guess it's somehow deleted, or maybe I just didn't even record it. But either way, we have Zach, who was drifting his S13. You were able to finish up everything before the event, right?
Yes, I got a bumper. I had tie rods delivered at 9 p.m. the night before, finished that at 1, and I fixed a fuel tank, and that's everything since the last video, I believe.
So that's Zach's car, which you'll see in the video, and then Joan and Marcus's BMW. You guys were able to fix that steering pump thingy, whatever, the leak, right?
Yeah, well, all we did was just add like the Lucas
leak stopper or whatever?
The leak stopper thing, and then it helped out, but then we got back from the event and it was still leaking, so.
Okay, gotcha.
As long as it wasn't leaking at the event, we were good.
You guys had like quite a bit of work that you had to do to get this thing even ready to be on the track.
Yeah. So we needed battery positive terminal cover, and then some battery support to move around.
You see my battery cover.
We got some awesome new LED tail lights.
Brake lights, that's what it is?
Electrical tape on there.
We got less carpet, and an awesome fire extinguisher mount.
So there you have it. I know, a really crappy way to intro the video. Totally my fault. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So we have Matt the Ginge right behind us, and I'm not sure if you could see from here, but look at that lobster fitment. He has a fresh wives fab set up on his 350Z. So he's gonna follow me first real quick so he can get, I guess, a better feel for his whole suspension setup. I'm sure he makes a lot more angle than I do anyways. Thank you. Oh my God. All right, guys, so this is Matt the Ginger's sister. She's coming for a ride along with me. You're from California, right?
Yeah, LA.
Okay, wow, so it's pretty far ways away from home.
Yeah.
But this should be fun because, is this like your first ride along?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been too.
Well, perfect. I'll try to put on a good little tandem sesh so you can maybe crap your pants.
Yeah. So yeah, Matt and I have been going back and forth telling each other that we just want to tap doors. Like that's our whole objective, just to ever so slightly tap each other's doors. You want me to go slow?
Yeah. I won't hit you though, don't worry. Session is over, had a pretty good couple runs. Now it's, I don't know what class Zach is, so I'm gonna ride with him and see what he's doing wrong, even though I think he'll be okay. Did you hit that, sir?
No.
How was your first run? That?
It was better than I thought, though.
Okay, good.
I had a problem with wire getting stuck under like the clutch.
Gotcha, but you're okay.
I'm okay.
Good. All right, Zach, don't spin. You got this. There you go. Stay on throttle, stay on throttle, stay on throttle, stay on throttle. There you go, kick, clutch kick. So I'll tell you, take this first corner a lot wider.
Wider?
Yeah, wider. Very wide so that you can you have enough space for your transition.
Right.
Roommate to link the car, jeez, or link the track. That was awesome. But you better link it again in your next session. I was literally like left foot braking so hard enough to where instead of the brakes locking up, the clutch slips. So that was our second session. It was a really fun little set of tandems that I had with Matt. But look who's here. Drift Dad and my mama. How are you guys?
We're good.
Are you gonna ride with me today?
Your car didn't break down?
No, not this time. I made sure to keep it nice and good for you.
All right, well, I guess I have to come through now.
Yeah, exactly.
Any wrecks?
No, nothing.
Any taps?
Close. I've been very close.
All right.
Okay.
Sell the BRZ, get one of those, yeah.
Yeah, you'll be Muscle Dad instead of Drift Dad.
There you go.
Oh, he spun out. See how close?
Yeah, and I just feel I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it?
Scary. I'm afraid.
I'm gonna be a gentleman and get my mother's
Thank
door.
you. Oh, Alan, I'm scared.
No, don't be. We got good people behind us. You'll be okay, I promise.
my God. Oh my God.
You're alive. You're okay.
That's scary.
No, it's not.
I was screaming the whole, especially when you're close to people. I mean, I'm like, that's it. And you know, you see blue and then you see yellow.
You're fine. You're
Yeah,
okay.
I was fine.
You want to ride again?
No. No.
No.
Unless you do it by yourself, maybe I will.
No, that's not how it works around here. We always got a tandem.
Well, it was fun. I give you that, but I'm still getting used to it.
Feels really good standing right here. Get nice and warm.
Zach's car's a heater, basically.
Yeah, the fans are wired backwards so you get hot air.
Nice.
It's a hand warmer. I knew it was gonna be cold today, so I actually did that on purpose.
Yeah. Successful day?
Yes.
Good. So you linked it multiple times?
Yep.
Good. I'm glad. Woo! You have fun, Zach? Solid as always. One day, I keep saying this for every video, one day we'll hit. We could have hit if we like really tried.
If we weren't stacked up, I think I would have done
Yeah.
something more, but I was like, if I hit and then I spin or like stall out,
Yeah.
and then there's a line of like 4 cars behind me. I'm
Right.
like,
But dude, I had a blast. You're like so much fun to drift with. Drifter, best friend for life right here. Okay, we're gonna go get food at this, what, Culver's place? Drift Dad wanted to go there. I don't know. I'm so happy that I got my mom to come out and ride with me.
So would you ever ride with me, Sita?
Hell no.
What?
You can't use that bad language.
One day,
Maybe
he
one
will
day.
be good.
He'll be good enough for me to be able to.
Yeah, exactly.
Chingadare, 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 chingadare.
So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.